Hey, are you a real estate wholesaler or flipper? Or you want to become a real estate investor, but you're not doing as many deals as you want to? Are you tired of hearing the same regurgitated sales process that we all know just doesn't work anymore? Well, if that's you, I'm going to show you all of the secrets on this new unconventional way of selling that will allow you to scale your business and never worry about where your next paycheck will come from ever again. My name is John Lalonde, a seasoned real estate wholesaler doing over $1 million a year consistently. And I'm on a mission to spread the word about this new unconventional way of selling and wholesaling real estate that allows you to work with human behavior instead of against it. Literally, we're going to teach you how to get sellers to sell themselves to you instead of the other way around. And that results in more closed deals with your current marketing strategy, bigger spreads on deals, so more money with less work, and better conversations that will allow you to answer any question with confidence instead of getting stuck defaulting to talking about the condition because that's the only thing you know how to talk about, and ultimately getting hung up on by the seller. So whether you're leading a team, doing a few deals, or just getting started and you know your sales skills aren't where they need to be, this channel is for you. And we're going to unlock all of the secrets that will allow you to close deals more consistently and predictably, get bigger spreads on your deals, and do this all while working with human behavior instead of just playing the numbers game. Now, on top of that, we go live in this group every single week where you can ask me questions and I'll answer them in real time.
Dude, this is hands down the best sales training I've ever had. Just wanted to say that.
We also have a podcast with experts, not just in the real estate industry, but business entrepreneurs doing up to 8 figures per year. And once you get your business printing money, you can learn here how to build out your team, create consistency and systems that will allow you to step away from your business and start making money on autopilot. Seriously, I've made over $2 million using this strategy while traveling the world and living in another country. And you can do it too. So hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for new secrets and strategies every single week.